or everyone is ready for? Yes, but before that, let me ask you something. Have you ever thought that Nike's just start with only 1,200 bucks and with no store, no office, and only just a dream? Well, today, Nike sponsors the most popular athletes like Cristiano Ronaldo and Michael Jordan. Nike also made a commercial and run multi-billion-dollar campaign. Nike also was just a shoe distributor for Onitsuka Tiger before. These are the photo that Nike is the distributor for Onitsuka Tiger before. And next is Swansea Kitchen Invention, which is this green government was interested in improving their products for runners. He wants to make the shoes that were lighter, prettier, and more comfortable. And one day, while having his breakfast, he had an idea, which is what if he put the waffle iron could make the perfect sole. And guess what he did? He put the rubber into the waffle iron, and suddenly his white kitchen was broke, and more surprising, his sole was made, and the sole were prettier and lighter. These are the first shoes that Nike made for the waffle iron. And next is their humble beginnings, which is they just started their business only with $1,200 of investment, and what they had is just a dream. You guys know that Nike designer, which is create the swoosh logo, iconic swoosh logo, was just a university student, and she was just paid only $35. Now, she received the stock of Nike's and about multi-billion-dollars. And they run their business from home, selling their shoes from car trunks, and doing their business everywhere. And now, everyone wears Nikes on the feet of champions, and every entire world have a Nike store study. And what they want is they want to keep their belief in their dreams. And let's wrap these things up. Nike was, and what Nike wants to share with us is they want us to keep believing in our dreams, and wants to keep our passion on it and hard work. Because when Nike started this business, there is no one believed in their dreams, and they just started their business from zero to everything on it. And now, Nike was the most popular brand in the world, and the most greatest. I think everyone in this world wears Nike. That's all from me. Thank you.